Now, Canada and China announced a major reset in trade relations. The announcement came from Beijing after talks between Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney and Chinese President Xi Jinping. While both sides described the agreement as preliminary but significant, it is designed to end years of tariffs dispute. It also aims to help Canada diversify its export markets. At the same time, it gives China more stable access to North American consumers. In agriculture, China will sharply cut tariffs on Canadian canola seeds. The rate will fall from 84% to about 15% by March 1st. Beijing will also remove so-called anti-discrimination tariffs on Canadian canola meal, lobsters, crabs, and peas. These tariffs removals will last at least until the end of 2026. While together, these measures reopen a market worth more than $6.6 billion to Canadian producers. Reports suggest Canada will make a major shift on electric vehicles. It will move away from its 100% tariffs on Chinese EVs. Instead, imports will face a most favored nation rate of 6.1%. This lower rate applies to a quota of 49,000 vehicles per year. The figure roughly matches the number of Chinese EVs Canada imported in 2023. Energy cooperation is another pillar of the agreement. Canada and China signed a memorandum of understanding covering oil and liquefied natural gas. The MOU labels Canada a potential energy partner. It also reopens ministerial-level energy talks that had been frozen for nearly 10 years. The agreement is expected to encourage Chinese joint venture investment, and this includes Canada's EV supply chain and its oil sands sector. Commenting on the shift, Carney said Canada's relationship with the United States remains deeper and broader despite the deal with China.
Our relationship, the one comparison I will give you with the United States, our relationship, this is no insight, is much more multifaceted, much deeper, much broader than it is with China. But yes, in terms of the way that our relationship has progressed in recent months with China, it is more predictable, and you see results coming from that.
Now, the deal will be reviewed in 3 years. Both governments say they will help ensure the promised economic benefits are delivered.